Good evening, Rahul.
Good evening, Wisdom Tree.
Rahul, you do not look well. What happened?
I have been suffering from stomachache and I could not go to school today.
How are you feeling now?
I am fine now, but I am feeling tired.
You should have stayed home and taken rest.
Yes, but I missed today's class and my maths teacher had taught fractions. Will you please teach me fractions? How did the princess learn fractions?
Sure, Rahul. I would love to tell you the way the princess learned fractions. Today, we shall learn about fractions, numerator of the fraction, denominator of the fraction, and estimating fractions. Along with other subjects, Guruji also taught the art of cultivation to the princess. So, one day Guruji took the princess to a forest near to the Gurukul for clearing. There were no big trees for clearing except for some weeds and rocks. Guruji wanted this land to be cleaned up so that the land can be used for cultivation.
Children, I want you to clean up this land so that it can be used for cultivation.
Yes, Guruji.
Good. I shall divide the farm equally and everyone should work in their respective areas. You are responsible for cleaning up and making your fraction of the land ready for cultivation.
Guruji, what is a fraction?
Okay, then, before you start your work, I shall quickly teach you about fractions. Let us learn about fractions. A fraction is a part of whole. Here, suppose I divide this whole land into 7 equal parts. Then this each divided part is called a fraction of whole. And each part denoted as 1 by 7. That is, 1 part of total 7 parts. Each of you are getting 1 part of the total 7 parts of the land. Look at this situation. If we consider the part of the land that is to be cleaned by Bhim and Nakul, it will be 1 by 7 by Bhim and 1 by 7 by Nakul. So, the part of the land to be cleaned by Bhim and Nakul together is 2 by 7. Similarly, we can say the part of land to be cleaned by Pandavas as a whole is 5 parts out of 7, that is 5 by 7, and the remaining 2 out of 7 parts has to be cleaned by Duryodhan and Dusashan. The number of parts the whole is divided is called the denominator of the fraction, and the number of parts taken is called the numerator of the fraction. That is, in the fraction 1 by 7, 1 is called numerator of the fraction and 7 is called the denominator of the fraction. Look at this figure. The whole is divided into 4 equal parts and 1 part out of 4 parts is shaded. This shaded region is known as quarter and the fraction is 1 by 4. Now, out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded in this figure. So our fraction is 2 by 4. We observe that half of the figure is shaded. Therefore, the shaded part is known as half. There are 2 halves in a whole and we have shaded 1 half. So the fraction can also be written as 1 by 2.
Guruji, how can 2 by 4 equal be to 1 by 2? I cannot understand. Can you please explain it to me?
Sure, Arjun. Now look at this circle. The first figure is divided into 2 equal parts. 1 part of it is shaded, and so the shaded region is 1 by 2. In the second figure, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts, and 2 parts out of 4 is shaded. And so the fraction for shaded region is 2 by 4. Now, if we overlap the second figure on the first figure, we find that the area of the shaded region is same, and so 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Take a look at the third figure. The circle is divided into 6 equal parts and 3 parts out of 6 are shaded. So the fraction for the shaded region is 3 by 6. If we overlap the third figure with first figure, we notice that the shaded area is same and hence 3 by 6 is also equal to 1 by 2. Look at this figure. The whole is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts out of 4 parts are shaded. This shaded region is known as 3/4 and the fraction is 3 by 4. Have a look at this figure. The whole is divided into 4 equal parts and all 4 parts are shaded. This shaded region is known as a whole. In a whole, there are 4 quarters. Now, let us see how we can estimate the fractions. In the given figures, can you say how much part is colored?
When we fold the first rectangular strip, the unshaped part overlaps with shaded part exactly. So, the fraction of shaded part is 1 by 2.
Very good, Arjun. Can anyone else say how much portion of the picture is colored in the second figure and its fractions?
If we fold the rectangular strip thrice, we find that 1 by 3 of the strip is shaded.
Good.
In the third figure, if we fold the strip 5 times, we see that 1 by 5 of the strip is shaded.
Good. For estimating the fraction, we can mentally break up the given figure and find out the fraction. Now let us see some more examples. Color 3 by 5 equal parts of the given figure. The whole part of the given figure is divided into 5 equal parts. So, to represent 3 by 5, we have to color 3 parts out of 5 parts of the given figure. Now Arjun, come and color 5 by 8 of the given figure.
The whole circle is divided into 8 equal parts. To shade 5 by 8 of it, we need to shade 5 parts out of 8 parts.
Good. Look at this figure. What fraction of the given shape is shaded? First, we have to see the number of parts the given shape is equally divided into. Here, the whole figure is divided into 10 equal parts. Then, we have to count the number of shaded parts. Here, the number of shaded parts are 4. So, the fraction of the shaded portion is 4 by 10. What fraction of the given shape is shaded?
The whole figure is divided into 4 equal parts.
Good. How many parts of it are colored?
1 part of it is colored.
So, what fraction of the given shape is shaded?
1 by 4 parts of the shape is shaded. So the fraction of the shaded region is 1 by 4.
Children, hope you all have understood the concept of fractions.
Yes, Guruji.
Now you all can start working. I will come in the evening and see how much work has been done. If you want, you can divide your part of the land into smaller sections which are equal in size, so that you will come to know how work has been completed.
Saying so, Guruji left. Yudhishthira divided his land into 2 equal parts. Duryodhan divided his land into 4 equal parts. And Bhim divided his part of the land into 8 equal parts. Everybody started working. In today's lesson, we learned fractions, numerator of the fraction, denominator of the fraction, and estimating fractions.
My stomach has started aching again. I think I must go home now.
It's okay, Rahul. Go home and take rest. We shall continue the class later. Hope you have understood the concept.
Yes, of course. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, Rahul.